something else. There's something about being in total control, man. There's no slosh box, slippage of the gears. Like I want to be in gear. You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
Wrap it up in the shop. 6:45. Got to keep our YouTube fellers entertained. So we're gonna do another little POV drive in the M2. Degrees out today. Put her in sport mode. Car is so loud. Like, dude. I'm gonna back in under the sign here. Sickening. With the valves open on the active Autowerke setup, it's like even in low RPM, like I'll be cruising, let off the gas at like 2,500, and it just like, it's like the thing's got a burble tune, which of course it doesn't. So when you're like actually sending, forget about it. It's like gunshots, man. So it's absolutely belligerent. The Autowerke rear section gives you the best of both worlds though. Like I have the valves closed here, and it diverts the flow through this little muffler piece, so it's not too restrictive, but it does a great job at arresting the burbles and the cracks and pops. Like if you're going through a residential neighborhood or past a police station or by someone that's walking their dog, like you gotta be respectful. Like, you know, if your city has noise ordinances, then I think you got it pretty solid. I don't think you'll be state refed with the valves closed. It really tames things down. And then if you get out in the back country and the roads are wide open and you're an enthusiast and you don't want any restriction and you just want straight pipe raw flow, like just crack the valves open and you're just ready for business. This car is just nuts. I cannot wait to take this thing on a track. Like there's no spot on the street where you'll ever be able to fully experience this car. This out. I wonder how much Shell paid at BMW to put that on there. It's a little tank on these things. I think it's like a 13-gallon. Tiny. Not much magic happening under 4,000 on this car. There's a really nice torque curve, but you know, you're making peak power at what? I'd like to see the dyno chart probably flatten out between 5 and 7. You know what I mean? And then it starts to sign off closer to red line. But yeah, I mean, if you carry second almost to red line and then click third, just right in the meat. You're right in the meat of the power. You guys some nice tunes, but your boy's got to cash out on that AdSense, like good cold AdSense. So if you're still watching this far in the video, leave that like, subscribe. You know, costs a lot of money to do this kind of stuff, man. I'm hemorrhaging financially. You gotta support your boy. You know, watch an ad or two, share the video, like it. You know, help out the YouTube algorithm.